like 101, 1001, 10001. So this is the method repeating numbers multiplication. So if we have a number multiplied by 101, 1001 and 10001. So what we need to do? We need to first find out the place values, the place value of second one. So let me take a number very fast. So let us take a number 1, 2, 6 times 1, 0, 0, 1. So the method is, the first step is we need to find out the place value of the second one. So what is the second one here? 1 and 2. This is the second one. This one is the second one. The place value of this second one is 1000. So the first step is over. Writing the place value is the first step. This first step is over. Now the second step. How many times 1 is written in the multiplier? So 1001 is the multiplier. How many times 1 is written? It is written 2 times. 1 time and 2 times. We have to write the multiplicand as many times the 1 is written in the multiplier. So put a separator line. Write 126 2 times. 126 and 126. Now the third part, compare the last number of the digit. Last part of the answer is 126. So this is the first part and this is the last part. So the last part, we have 126. We have to check the number of digit with the number of 0. There are 3 0 and there are 3 digits. So if the number of digit is equal to the number of 0, we can take it as in our answer. So 126, 126 is the answer. Is it clear? You can show me thumbs up if it is clear. Lemon, Shmriti, Lemon, is it clear? Okay. Shmriti, Anuradha, Dia, you can show me thumbs up. Good. Duty, Om. Okay. Shananya Garg, is it clear? You can show your thumb. Okay. Now, let us take the other number. Next number is 1, 2 times 1001. 1 minute, sorry. Sorry. Now we have to find out that what is the place value of the second one. So 1001. So the place value of the second one, the place value of second one is 1000. The place value of second one is 1000. Write here 1000. Now we have to write 12. How many times? We have to write 12 2 times. 12 and 12. Now there are 2 digits and 3 0. If the number of digit is less than the number of 0, then we need to add 1 0 with it. We have to add 1 0 with it. So 1 2 0 1 2 is the answer. 1 2 0 1 2 0 1 2 is the answer. Sorry, beta. I log out. There was a connection error. Okay. So next one is, let me write the next number. If we have let me write the number for you now. Eight 802 times 1001. Now, this is a big number. So what we have to do? First of all, we need to find out the place value of the second one. The place value of the second one. So the place value of second one is 10,000. Now, any one of you can write the answer in the chat box. What will be the answer? Eight 802 is the correct answer. So I will write 802 and 802 two times. Now there are 40 and 3 digits. So what we need to do? We need to add 10 with this number because we have to equalize the digit. As many zeros are there, we have to equalize the number as many times. So 0802. So answer is 802 0802. I hope it is clear. Anika Jha, Anush. Okay. Now, shall I write the sums? Will you do on your own? Are you able to do? Okay, let me write the sums for you now. The first sum is 34 times 101. The second sum is 56 times 101. Third sum is 146 into 101. The fourth sum is 903 into 1001. You can do these sums, then I will explain you. Just write the answer fast. So you can tell me the answer fast. The first answer is 3434. It is correct. That is correct. The first answer is 3434. Second answer is 5656. Let me see the third answer. 146146. 146. No, that is not the correct answer. That is not the correct answer. 903. What is the answer? Please write it fast. Yes, that is correct. 903, 903. 903, 903 is the correct. Now let me explain you question number 3. That is almost all the students have done wrong. 146 into 101. I told you that you have to compare the digit with the number of 0. If the number of digits are less, you can add 0. But if the number of digits are more, you can add it. You can add them by the chain addition. So it is 101, sorry. It is 101. The place value of second one is 100. First part is over. We have to find out the place value. The second part, we need to write 146 as many times 1 is written. So 146, 146. Now, the last part have 3 digits and we have only 2 0. So in the answer, we should have only as many digits as many zeros are there. But here digits are more. Now what we should do? What we can do? We cannot remove 1. So we will go for chain addition. Chain addition. So the answer is 14746. 6 plus 7 you need to add. Understand? Everyone? If you understand, just show your thumb. Okay. Now I will take one more sum with the same pattern. 123 times 101. So the place value is 100 here. What you need to do? You have to write the 1, 2, 3 as many times 1 is written. 1, 2, 3. So digit are 3. Digit are 3 and 0 are 2. We should have as many digits as many zeros are there. Only 2 digits must be there. So what we will do with 1? 1 will go for chain addition with 3. So the answer is 1, 2, 4, 2, 3. 1, 2, 4, 2, 3 is the answer. I hope it is clear now. Aradhya, did you understand? Okay. Now next one, I am giving you a sum. You can do this. 216 times 101. Please do this and tell me the answer. This is of the same pattern. This is of the same pattern. Please do it fast. And write the answer in the chat box. Some of have given the answer 21816. Correct answer. Very good. Sai, Anush, excellent. Very good. Yashi, Samanya, SP. Yashi, excellent. Very good. Bhargavi, Rakshit, excellent. So I will explain. Write 216 and 216 2 times. 100 is the place value. 2 0 are there. There are more digits. Add this with the next number. So 21816. I hope this method is clear with to everyone. This method is clear to everyone. Okay. Now we will do row wise addition. Today the next topic is row wise addition. Row wise addition. Next topic. or you can write the other method, long addition. In long addition, we need to find out the friends. The complement of 10, we need to find out. Whenever we see a number that is giving us 10, we can cut that number and write a dot in the next place value. We can cut that number and write a dot in the next place value. Like how it goes, I will explain you. Now, direct and indirect complements you need to understand. Like 4 and 6 is 10. 2, 2, 2, 4 is also 10. So this is an indirect complement. What it means? That how many times, what are the numbers that you add, you will get 10. So these are indirect complements. 4 and 6 are direct complements because they are best friends. Yesterday only I explained you, if some of you have joined yesterday's class, I explained that what are the two numbers, they are known as best friend or direct complements, because when we are adding, we are getting 10, right? So let us start now. (24), (46), (28), (22), (16). Now, the best thing is when you see a number, when you see those two numbers that gives you 10, either direct or indirect complements, cut them and put a dot in the next place value. Put a dot in the next place value. Now see, how do we do? 4 and 6 is 10. Immediately put a dot. Immediately put a dot. 4 and 6 is 10. Now what is remaining? 0 is remaining. Okay. 8 and 2 is 10. Immediately put a dot. Dot. For every 10, you need to put a dot. For every 10, you need to put a dot. Now what is remaining? 6 is remaining. Drop 6 as it is. Drop 6 as it is. Without carry over, we are doing it very fast. Now see, here we have to see in the next row. We are getting here 10. We have to check. We are getting here 10. Let us see. 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 4 is 10. Put a dot. Now, what is remaining? We need to count. 1, 2, and 3. And can anyone tell me what is the value of this dot? Yesterday I explained. What is the value of this dot? 1. The value of this dot is 1. Answer is 136. So instead of calculating with the fingers, we are taking the help of the friends. Direct complements. If you know the direct complements or indirect complements, that gives you 10. It is very easy to calculate the sum. Understand? Okay. Now let us take the other example. 4, 2, 6, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, 2, 9, 1, 1. So first of all, we need to check here whether we are getting 10. Let us see the combination. If you know the friends, direct friends, you can cut them and write the dot. 3 and 7 is 10. Put the dot immediately. 9 and 1 is 10. Put the dot immediately. For every 10, 1 dot. Now what is remaining? 4 and 2. 4 and 2 is 6. Write 6. Now see in the next row whether you are getting 10. Yes, 6 and 4 is 10. Immediately put the dot. Any other number? Yes, 7 plus 2 and 1, 3 is 10. Immediately put the dot. Any other number? No. Now 4 5 and 6. 6 and 2 dots means 2. 266. How is the method? I hope you liked it. So this is the way you can do without calculating your fingers very fast. If you know the combination of 10, even if you know the combination of 9 and you are having a big line of numbers, you can add them as well. Let me write the next sum for you. Let us do together, okay? Now next one. 286 424 732 149 261 473. We have to add such a big number. Now I explained you the friends. If you understand the friends, you will do it very fast. For every 10, put the dot in the next place value. Let us see how fast we can do. 6 and 4 is 10. Cut them, put a dot. 9 and 1 is 10. Put the dot. Now what is remaining? 2 plus 3, 5. Now see here. Any friend is getting? Are you getting any friend? Let us see. 8 and 2 is 10. Immediately put the dot. Any other friend? Yes. 6 and 4 is 10. Immediately put the dot. Any other friend? Yes. 7 and 3 is 10. Immediately put the dot. Now how many dots are remaining? 2 dots. So write the 2 dots here. Now let's see in the next column, next row. 4, 7, 1 and 2 is 10. Put the dot. Any other? Yes. 4 plus 4 is 8 and 2 is 10. Put the dot. Now how many dots are remaining? There are 3 dots. So write over 3 here and 2. 2, 3, 2, 5 is the answer. I hope it is clear, everyone. Anuradha, Sanya, is it clear? Okay. So I hope every one of you like this method. It is the easiest method of doing the addition very fast. If you will see 6 plus 4, okay, 10 and 12 and 9 and 1 and 3, you will add in your fingers. It will take a long time. So we can do the addition even with the multiple numbers or multiple rows. If we have a big row also, we can do the addition. Okay, let me write the next number. Okay, the last row, let us see the friends are there. If you have friends, you can cut them. 6 and 4, 1 dot. 7, 1 and 2 is 10. You have to find out the 10. That is it. What is remaining? 2. Now let us see in the next row. Yes, 6 and 4 is 10. Put the dot. Any other? Yes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, put the dot. Now, any other? No, any other not there. Now we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 gives you 13. So what I told you, when you get 10 and more than 10 also we can take. So what is 13? 13 means 10 plus 3. 13 means 10 plus 3. So for every 10 you need to put a dot. Put a dot again for 10. And what is remaining? 3 is remaining. Drop 3. Drop 3. Put the dot for 10. Drop 3. Now let us do the next one. See, 7 plus 3 is 10. Yes, put the dot. Again, 8, 9 and 10. Put the dot. Again, any other is there? 3 plus 3 is 6, 7 and 8. No, nothing is there. So 8 we can write. Now let us see the next one. 7, 2 and 1. Put the dot. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 and 1. 19832 is the answer. I hope everyone is clear. Can I write down the sums for you? You can do this one. One, 2, 2, 8 is the answer. Correct. One, 2, 2, 8 is the answer. Bhargavi, correct. Let us see. 8 and 2 is 10. 1 dot. 9 and 1 is 10. 1 dot. 8. 6 and 4 is 10. 7, 2 and 1 is 10. 2 is remaining. So 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we can put here 5, 5, 10, 1 dot and 2. For 1 dot, 1. So 1, 2, 2, 8 is the answer. I hope it is clear, everyone. Let us do the next sum. Please do this one. So who has got the answers? Two, 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 3, 4, 2. Let us see. 9 and 1, 6 and 4. 2 dots. 2. 9 and 1, 7 and 3, 2 dots. So 2, 3, 4. 8 and 2, 6 and 4, 2 dots. 3, 7 and 3, 4, 4, 8, 9, 10. So 2 dots, 2 is remaining. 7, 2, 3, 1 dot. 7 and 3, 1 more dot. So 2. So 2, 2, 3, 4, 2. 2, 2, 3, 4, 2. Correct answer. So I hope everyone like this method. Is it easy? Okay. Now next one. Next method is multiplication by 9. Next method is multiplication by 9. If I have a number 269 times 9, how do we do? 269 multiplied by 9. So if you are very good at multiplication, some of you might be good at multiplication, you can do it very fast. But the small children, if they have difficulty in doing the sum, we can do it with the help of subtraction. What we do, we will write 0 with the number, write 0 with the multiplicand, and subtract the same number. Write 0 with the number and subtract with the same number. Answer is 1, 2, 4, 2. 2, 4, 2, 1 is the answer. I hope it is clear. 2, 4, 2, 1 is. I hope it is clear. Okay. 1763 times 9. So what is the method? Just write 0 with the number and subtract the same number. 17638. So the answer is 2, 4, 13 minus 6 is 7. Again it is 5, 15 minus 7, 8. 6 minus 7, 6 minus 1, 5. And 1. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Can I write the next sum? Okay. Let us see who will do fast. Please write the answers in the chat box. Please write the answers in the chat box. The first answer is 27558. Okay. The first answer is 25,758. Anush, correct. Very good. Second answer is correct. 165,258. Yashi, excellent. 165,258. Very good. Yashi Agarwal. Very good, SP. Excellent. Good. Second one answer. I could not see the answer for the third one. If any one of you have sent. Answer for the third one. No one has sent. The third answer. I cannot see the answer third. If any one of you have solved and tell me the answer. It is 659,511, not 658,411. No, that is 659,511. Please do the correction. Neha Naidu, the answer is 659,511. Anyone has solved it? Hema, very good, correct. Okay, now the last answer, fourth one. Excellent, Anika Jha. 7513,011. Very good. Excellent. Yashi, correct. 7513,011. That is correct. Okay. Now let us stop this. So we will do a small revision on the topics what we have done yesterday and today. So we have completed yesterday the two topics for subtraction, all from 9, last from 10, method 1, and method 2, all from 9, last from 10, method 2. In the method 1, all from 9, last from 10, we are subtracting the numbers from the primary basis. Primary bases are the numbers that are starting from 1 and all zeros are there. I will just take a fast recap of we have finished yesterday and today. So this is the number, and if we need to subtract 27862, so what we need to do? We need to, first of all, what we need to do, we have to find out the last number of the digit. So this is the last number. Apply the formula all from 9, last from 10, method 1. So we are doing method 1. In this, we are following up with the primary basis. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Friend of 2 is 8. Friend of 6 is 3. Friend of 8 is 1. Friend of 7 is 2. And friend of 2 is 7. So this is the answer. So this is the example from the primary base numbers. Now, if we have secondary bases, if the number is secondary base, eight zero 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 minus 32826. So what you need to do? First of all, we need to find out the last number. The last number is 6. And if we have a primary base, what we have to do? Yesterday only I explained, we have to put a dot below this, 8. So if we have a dot below a number, means we need to subtract the value by 1. And if a dot is above the number, we need to add 1 with the number. Okay. So the friend of 6, who is the friend of 6? This is the last number. Friend of 6 is 4. Friend of 6 is 4. Friend of 2 is 7. Friend of 8 is 1. Friend of 2 is 7. Friend of 3 is 6. And 8 and 1 dot less is equal to 7. 767174 is the answer. I hope it is clear. The secondary base method is clear, everyone? Okay. Now, in secondary base number, the sum that I solved just now, in that there was no digit below 8. So let us take a number if we have a digit below the number. So like 90. So anyhow, we have to put the dot below the number. What is the last number? 5. So all from 9, last from 10. Friend of 5, 5. Friend of 4, 5. 1, 8, 6, 3, 8, 1. 9 and 1 dot less is 8. 8 minus 2, 6. I hope it is clear, everyone. Vedant, is it clear? Okay. Now let us do the next one. The recap of the repeating numbers multiplication. 1020 multiply by 1001. So in this, first find the place value of the second one. So it is 1000. Now we have to write the 1000 as many times 1 is written. So 1 is written how many times? 2 times. Write the 1020 2 times. Now, in 1000, there are 3 digits. In 1000, there are 3 digits. So we have to take 3 digits and the next digit will go for the chain addition with the next number, this number. So the answer is 1021020. This is the answer. Clear, everyone? Hema, Vedant, is it clear? Siddharth, Anushka, Sai Paristh, Sahanya Garg. Okay. Now let us do the next one. chain addition or long addition? So combination you need to find 6 plus 4, 1 dot. 8 plus 2, 1 dot, 4. Again find the combination. 3 and 7, 1 dot. 4, 2, 2 is 8 and 2 is 10. 1 dot, 2 is remaining 2. 224. 224 is the answer. Is it clear? Okay. So I hope the session you understand the tricks and the method well. And you enjoyed the methods as well. Okay, Shrishti, can you unmute any one of the students? So,
Miss Nidhi, we do not unmute students because if we unmute one of them, it will be unfair to the other ones.
okay.
Right?
So,
Sure. Thank you.
So I hope everyone liked the method. So you can do one thing. I will write the sums for you. You can post on the Facebook page of the Skills Hub. You can solve it, and you can solve. You can write the answers on a page, and you can upload the picture on the Skills Hub Facebook page. There is a page, right, Srishti? We have a page, right?
Yes, we do.
Okay, so we can. I am writing the sums. You can solve and write the answer on your page, and write there the Skills Hub Facebook page. You can upload there. Okay, so 1 minute. Please do write the sums fast. Time is going to up. You can upload with your picture by holding your answers. You can upload it on the Facebook page. Okay, these 4 sums you can write. I hope everyone have noted the sums. You can please show the thumb so that I can stop the screen. Very good. So you can complete and please upload it on the Facebook page by holding it and taking your picture as well. Okay. And thanks for your valuable time, dear children. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ms. Nidhi. This was a great session. I hope everyone enjoyed it thoroughly because, also as